Hello viewers, today we are going to see about general knowledge, biology, particularly zoology, topic immune system. On exposure to diseases, we develop resistance towards diseases and gain immunity. Immune system topic we are seeing. Health is a state of physical, mental, and social well being. The varying environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, wind, pressure, sun, rain, pollution caused by man, atomic radiation, malnutrition, the millions of microbes that surround our bodies, the interpersonal conflicts are all other factors that affect our health. Health has three dimensions: physical, mental, and social. Physical dimension has the sign of free from disease, bright with shining skin, normal metabolism, lustrous hair, and no black rings around eyes. A mentally healthy person knows his capacities, does not overestimate or underestimate him, and can judge his shortcomings and weaknesses. The word disease means without ease or not at ease. The condition of malfunctioning of the organ system is called disease. Diseases not caused by organisms are called non-communicable diseases. Organic diseases are also called as metabolic disorders. Normal blood glucose level in man is 80 to 120 mg per 100 ml of blood. Excess glucose is converted into insoluble glycogen and stored in liver and muscles. Normal blood glucose level is maintained by the hormone insulin. Insulin is secreted by beta cells of cells of Langerhans of pancreas. If insulin is not produced in sufficient quantity, it results in diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a state of expulsion of excess unused glucose in the urine due to less production of insulin. Diabetes insipidus, coronary heart diseases, renal failure, hypertension, obesity, Alzheimer's disease, stroke are all caused due to metabolic disorders. The genetical disorders are caused due to defective or mutated genes. Albinism is an inherited disorder of melanin metabolism. Albinism is characterized by the absence of melanin in the skin, hairs, and eyes. Recessive mutant genes cause albinism. The clinical symptoms of albinism are milky white colored skin and marked photophobia, high sensitivity to light. Hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, Down syndrome, bubble boy syndrome are a few other genetical disorders. Protein deficiency causes marasmus and kwashiorkor. In marasmus, the child loses weight and suffers severe diarrhea, and it will appear as though bones are covered by the skin. In kwashiorkor, the child develops an enlarged belly with swelling in the face and feet. Robert Koch and Louis Pfister were the first to establish the germ theory of diseases. A germ or microbe produces poisonous substance called toxins to interfere the host metabolism. Vitamin A deficiency causes nyctalophia, night blindness. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi, nervous disorder. Vitamin B5 pellagra deficiency causes dementia, dermatitis, diarrhea. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes pernicious anemia, destruction of red blood cell. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy, bleeding gums, and loosening of teeth. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets, defective calcification of bones. Vitamin E deficiency causes sterility. Vitamin K deficiency causes hemorrhage, profuse loss of blood. Disease-producing organisms are viruses, bacteria, fungi, and protozoans. Viruses are living substances inside the host cell and behave as dead particles outside the host cell. The viral body consists of a nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, and a protein cover. All the known viruses are parasitic. Viruses cause deadly diseases such as polio, rabies, hepatitis, meningitis, encephalitis, brain fever, etc. Bacteria are unicellular prokaryotes and visible under compound microscope. Bacterial diseases in man are tuberculosis, leprosy, cholera, typhoid, diphtheria, tetanus, plague, pneumonia, syphilis, gonorrhea, etc. Fungi are non-green saprophytic or parasitic plants living on dead and decaying organic matter or living organisms. Ringworm, dandruff, athlete's foot are some fungal diseases in man. Protozoans are unicellular animalcules. Protozoans cause diseases such as malaria, amoebic dysentery, sleeping sickness. Infestations of the body with the tapeworm, liver fluke, roundworm, filarial worm, etc. cause diseases in man like teniasis, ascariasis, filariasis, etc. Diseases caused by microbes are known as infectious diseases. Common cold is a viral disease. Inflammation of upper respiratory passage is seen in common cold. Common cold can lead to secondary infections like pneumonia, bronchitis. Common cold virus spreads mostly through the droplets. Inanimate objects like handkerchief, bedding, cloths, utensils, toilet articles are called fomites. Influenza was a dreadful disease pandemic in 1970s. A H1N1 virus, spherical, highly contagious, causes influenza. Influenza has symptoms like sudden fever with pain in the back and limbs. Influenza virus spreads through nasal and mouth droplets and by fomites. TB is an airborne disease affecting the lungs, bones, joints, lymph, glands, alimentary tract, liver, kidney, etc. TB causing bacterium is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, rod-shaped. In TB, the affected parts develop lesions called tubercles. The waxy cell wall of the tuberculosis bacillus prevents it from drying up. Immunization with PCG vaccine is an effective measure to prevent TB. A short rod-shaped bacterium with numerous flagella, Salmonella typhi, causes typhoid. Inflammation and ulceration of intestine, enlargement of spleen, and a characteristic red spot, eruption, and abdomen symptoms of typhoid. Protozoan Plasmodium is responsible for malaria. Four different species of Plasmodium, namely Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum, and Plasmodium ovale, occur in India. The malignant and fatal malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum. Malaria spreads through the vector, the female Anopheles mosquito. Malaria is characterized by chillness and rise in temperature. Successive attacks of malaria result in the distension of spleen and destruction of liver tissues. The sexual stage of Plasmodium takes place in female Anopheles mosquito. The vegetative stage of Plasmodium occurs in man. Sporozoites are stored in the salivary glands of mosquito. Sporozoites, the infectious stage, multiply within the liver cells first and enter the red blood cell of man, resulting in the rupture of red blood cell. Humozoin, a toxic substance, is responsible for the chill and high fever. Amoebic dysentery, amoebiasis, is caused by Entamoeba histolytica, a protozoan parasite. Stool with excess mucus and blood clot is a symptom of amoebiasis. The different genera of fungi, namely Epidermophyton, Microsporum, and Trichophyton, cause ringworm. The diseases like diphtheria, pneumonia, cholera, typhoid, measles, mumps are transmitted directly. Animals such as ticks, mites, birds, insects, and mammals transmit diseases like cholera, malaria, rabies, etc. Immunity is a part of complex system of defense reaction in the body. The infectious organisms and the toxins produced by them and any foreign protein entering the body are called antigens. The immune system includes blood plasma, lymph, and lymphocytes. Immune system produces suitable proteinaceous substances called antibodies to detoxify the antigens. Natural or innate immunity is got right from birth. The resistance against some infectious diseases developed by an individual during lifetime and exposure to the infections is called acquired or specific immunity. Active acquired immunity is developed during the first infection of any pathogen. If the antibody production is stimulated naturally after recovery from a disease, it is called a natural active acquired immunity. If the antibody synthesis is stimulated by application of vaccines, the immunity gained is called artificial active acquired immunity. Example, the polio drops and triple antigen. Passive acquired immunity, a ready-made antibody is introduced from outside instead. If the ready-made antibody is taken from the mother's blood into the fetus, it is called a natural passive acquired immunity. If the ready-made antibody is given to an individual artificially produced in some other animal and extracted, it is called a artificial passive acquired immunity. Administering vaccines to prevent the disease is called immunization. Immunization develops artificial active acquired immunity. BCG vaccine is for tuberculosis. DPT vaccine is for diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. MMR vaccine is for mumps, measles, rubella. Dual antigen vaccine is for diphtheria, tetanus. TT vaccine, tetanus toxoid. Medical management includes treatment involving medicine, treatment not involving medicine. Medicines are generally used to infectious diseases. The antibiotics are used as blocks to the pathways of the disease without affecting ourselves. For a person with neurotrophic problem, neurotic problem, yoga and physiotherapy are good. People addicted to alcohol and drugs are given counseling to overcome the habit. Biotechnologically synthesized insulin is used to treat diabetes mellitus. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome is a dreadful disease transmitted through sexual contact or through blood and blood products. Robert Gallo at National Institute of Health, USA, and Luc Montagnier at Pfizer Institute, Paris, isolated the virus human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, which causes AIDS. HIV is a retrovirus with glycoprotein envelope and the genetic material RNA. HIV causes depletion of white blood cell, which is involved in the formation of antibodies called CD4 plus T helper cells lymphocytes. Opportunistic infections such as tuberculosis, candidiasis, and recurrent herpes zoster viral infection. Test for HIV enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, ELISA, and Western blot, a confirmatory test. If you like this video, subscribe our channel